Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make an international transfer with Santander. So first, you can transfer money between your accounts easily by tapping Pay or Transfer from the application. And then after that, tap on Make a Transfer. From here, tap on this one. Then you can choose which account you want the money to go out of and which account you want it to be transferred into. So, tap on From Account, which is here, to select an account from the money to go out of, and then tap To Account, which is in here, to choose the account that you want the money to be transferred to. So after that is choose the currency, the amount, and select if you want a one-off transfer to be done immediately. So here, we're done with this one. So from here, you just have to choose the currency and the amount, and what type of payment would you like to make, immediate or standing order. Then after that, just tap on continue, and then review all the transfer details if they are correct. And once you're okay with the information, then just tap on confirm at the very bottom. And then you have options to tap return to transactions to return to your recent transactions, or tap make another payment to make another payment or transfer. So if you're okay with everything and if you don't want to make a transfer, then just return to the transactions, which is in here. You'll be able to see the transaction details again. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!